Hi guys, welcome back to Foodie Balan. Thank you so much for watching my previous video. Please share, subscribe and like my channel. Today I'm going to make two dishes. It will be coconut chicken and coconut rice. Let's get into video. I'll show how to make it. In order to make a chicken, we need to have some of the spices grind. So I'm using handful of cinnamon and a good amount of cardamom, 6 to 8, and a little bit of som, you will see it, 1 tablespoon of jeera, few peppercorns, very few cloves, and all this I'm going to grind it well, and I'm going to take half a portion of it into a bowl and I'll keep it aside. And the leftover spices, I'm going to add onions, which is 1 and neatly chopped, 1 garlic, ginger neatly chopped, a little bit of curry leaves, and I'm going to grind again. It is grinded well. Now we need to do a marination of the chicken, and I've taken 750 gram of chicken, and I'm going to put the grinded masalas to 1 tablespoon red Kashmiri chili powder, half a tablespoon turmeric powder, less than 1 tablespoon salt, and juice. Marinate this well. Have mixed it well, chicken with all the masala spices which I have added here. So I'm going to keep this in the fridge for a good 30 minutes and let it get marinated. Until the chicken is getting marinated, I'm going to make the coconut rice in a pressure cooker today. I'm going to add just a 2 tablespoons of ghee. I'm not going to add more. Add all the spices starting with bay leaf and other spices, just a handful. I'm going to add half a tablespoon of turmeric. As soon as I add the turmeric, I'm going to switch off the flame. I'm going to stir this well, all the spices, turmeric and the ghee. I'm going to tell you one thing here. If you are taking a 2 glass of rice, which is good 200 to 50 gram of rice, then you need a 4 glass of coconut milk, and you will add it here. 4 glass of coconut milk here. You will see it is all mixed well. Now I'm going to turn on the flame side. When milk gets boiled, I'm going to add the rice. I've already said it's a 250 to 300 gram of rice. Last thing which will go inside to this recipe would be salt, 1 tablespoon. And do not add salt more because the coconut milk will give you little bit of salt flavor. So it will be too much of salty of your rice. Now of a cooker. Cover it with the whistle. Chicken, and need to add another 2 glass of coconut milk here. Do not boil the coconut milk. You all must be wondering, I have not used oil. This is purely oilless coconut milk chicken. And I have taken out the chicken which was kept it in the marination for about 30 minutes, and I'm going to place this into the kadai. Coconut milk. So the leftover masala which I have grinded with all the spices, I'm going to place it all over on the chicken. Additionally, I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Again, it is completely going to cook in a coconut milk. I am not going to add water, and it will be cooked with the coconut milk alone. Chicken is really cooking well now. As you're seeing, chicken is completely cooking with the coconut oil, and I will not add any further more water. Let it get dry, and I'm planning to do semi gravy or complete dry chicken. Last thing I'm going to add is the garam masala, which is a small tablespoon which I've taken, and I'm going to stir it well. As a finishing touch, I'm going to add little bit of curry leaves on top of the dried. I've added the curry leaves, and you will see I've made it completely a dry chicken. So if you guys wanted, you can make a completely dry or a fry. Rather, you can, if you want, you can keep it as a semi gravy. Rice is ready. I put it in a bowl, and you will see a texture and how the coconut rice which I've made it, which looks good. And I'm gonna serve it on the plate now. And this is what I was waiting for this long, which is completely fry, not a semi gravy, fried chicken, completely made out of coconut milk. Few add-ons, which is cucumber and onion. This recipe highly recommended for you guys. The reason why I'm saying that way, it is completely guilt free. The reason, there is no oil in it. It is completely made out of coconut. So that way, I think I would appreciate you guys to go ahead and give a try and share your thoughts, feedback, how you like the recipe, and please share, subscribe and like my channel, and share your thoughts, how you feel about the video, and keep liking it, keep loving it. Thank you so much.